Come on, son. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down.
I literally ran away. Oh my gosh.
Calm down.
He likes being petted. He's looking at the camera. He's thinking I have some food in my hands. So he spooks me, but well, I'll be learning slowly. Wow. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means he's 22. Wow.
22 hands.
22 hands. Yeah, for those guys that wanted to see how tall he is. So here he is. He's just like 5 feet away from me. I'm sure he's spoiled being given some beautiful stuff like watermelon leftovers. He likes them. That's why he's coming back. Now I know. When he sees the human, that's why he comes here, because he's gonna be given some sweet stuff.
Hands is 66 inches.
66 inches for 22 hands.
5.5 feet.
Hmm?
5.5 feet.
No, that cannot be 5.5. Because I'm 5'5", and is he taller than me?
Is the video on?
Is he taller than me? I'm five what? I'm five.
It's not exact. That's why different people have different sizes of hands. That's how you figure it.
Am I 5'2" or 5'5" or what? I can't remember. So, but I think he is just a little bit shorter than me, just a little bit, because I can see the whole of his back on top. Literally, I can see him. He's got the beautiful tail that runs all the way to the ground. All right, I don't know how you're gonna make him to go, but I'm gonna have you go, buddy. He's crushing himself. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.